we have to perform the practical to determine the surface tension by using drop weight method using stalagmometer. In previous practical we have to determine the surface tension by using drop count method, but here we have to use drop weight method. Okay, so in drop count method we have to weigh the number of drops of solvents, but in drop weight method we have to number of drops, 30 number of drops we have to weigh directly using instruments. Okay, so fill the stalagmometer in by using solvent, water solvent. After the stalagmometer is filled by using water solvents, then we have to release the 30 drops. We can count the only 30 drops and we have to weigh that 30 drops by directly using instruments. Okay, so fill the stalagmometer with water solvents. See here, the stalagmometer is filled with water solvent. Then we can release the 30 drops of water slowly in this stalagmometer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so here 30 number of drops we have to collect in the beaker. Then this 30 number of drops we have to weigh by using measuring balance. Okay, after we can weigh the 30 number of drops, again we have to fill the stalagmometer and again we can measure the 30 number of drops weight. Like this manner, the water solvent weight we have to take 3 times. Then we can take a benzene solvents. Again we have to count the 30 drops and that 30 drops weigh directly using these 30 drops we have to weigh. Okay, then again this benzene solvent perform 3 times, 30 drops we can weigh 3 times. Okay, then next we have to take acetone solvents, and then acetone solvents also we have to fill in the stalagmometer, then count 30 drops and then that 30 drops weight we have to take directly. Same manner acetone is also filled second time also and third time also, and then again we can count the 30 drops and we have to weigh that 30 drops 3 times. Okay, after the reading is find out, or we have to weigh the 30 drops of water solvents, acetone solvents and benzene solvents, then that 30 drops weight we can write down directly in the chart, and by using that weight of the 30 drops we can calculate the surface tension by using drop weight method. See here in the calculation part, we have to calculate the surface tension of given liquids by using drop weight method. So we have to take a drops of solvents and then that drops we can weigh directly. Okay, so see here, the first is the water solvent is also your reference solvents. Okay, so water solvents showing their number of drops and their mean number of drops is 4.33 and the density of water is 1.06 and surface tension of the water is 72.8. Okay, it is the standard surface tension of water solvents. Okay, then we have to calculate the surface tension of acetone, ethanol and benzene. Okay, so the acetone we have to fill in the stalagmometer, then count 30 number of drops and then weigh directly that 30 number of drops. Okay, so after weighing the 30 number of drops 3 times, then first reading is, second reading and third reading we have to write down in this column, and the mean weight of the acetone is 1.02. Like this same manner we have to note down the mean reading of the ethanol and mean reading of the benzene. After we have to write down the weight of the number of drops weight here in this column. Then density is also we have to calculate is already. Okay, Then by using this number of drops, weight and density, we can fill this value in the surface tension formula and we can calculate the surface tension. Okay, you have to know what is the N1, what is the N2, rho 1, rho 2. Okay, so all the values filled in this formula and calculate the surface tension of acetone, ethanol and benzene. So in the last column, it is the surface tension. The water surface tension is standard, that is the 72.8, but when we can calculate the acetone surface tension value, that is the 17.14. Then ethanol surface tension value 24.26 and benzene surface tension value is 24.21. Okay, so see here, by using the weight of number of drops and density of the solvents, we have to calculate the surface tension of solvents. Okay, so we can calculate the surface tension by using number of drops or drop count method or by using drop weight method. And for both method we have to use a stallometer. Okay,